Albert Einstein once said, "Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results." Welcome to Jetset Wealthstyle, where we help you elevate your life. Today, we delve into a topic of paramount importance, the habits that shape our lives. We'll explore how these routines, often overlooked, play a crucial role in our journey to success. We all harbor certain habits, some beneficial, others detrimental. It's these detrimental habits that often stand in our way, preventing us from realizing our true potential. In our journey today, we'll uncover 7 such habits, the 7 stupid habits that you need to abandon if you want to be successful. These habits are subtle, yet they have a profound impact on our lives. They are the unseen stumbling blocks on your pathway to success. If you're ready to abandon these habits and take a step towards your goals, stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. The first habit you need to throw out the window is procrastination. It's the thief of time. Now let's delve into this. Procrastination is like a credit card. It's a lot of fun until you get the bill. It's a habit that keeps us from seizing the opportunities that knock on our doors. It's a barrier that stands between you and the life you aspire to. Now, how do we overcome this? Well, the first step is to recognize procrastination for what it is, a delay tactic. Break down your tasks into manageable chunks. Start with the hardest task first, the one you've been avoiding. It's amazing how much lighter you'll feel once it's done. Use tools and techniques that work best for you. It could be a to-do list, a time tracker, or even a simple alarm reminding you to stay on track. Also, remember to reward yourself after completing each task. It's a great motivator. Remember, time waits for no one. Stop procrastinating, start doing. Moving on to the second stupid habit, negativity. It's the enemy of progress. Imagine a garden full of potential, but instead of nurturing it with water and sunlight, you pour poison into it. Negativity is that poison. It's a silent killer of dreams, ambitions, and success. It's the barrier that stops you from taking that crucial step forward. Remember, the mind is a powerful tool. It can either make you or break you. When you fill it with negative thoughts, it becomes a breeding ground for doubts, fears, and a defeatist attitude. This, my friends, is a recipe for stagnation, not success. What's the antidote? Cultivate positivity. Start by surrounding yourself with positive influences. Read uplifting literature, listen to motivational podcasts, and associate with people who inspire you. Practice gratitude, affirm your strengths, and visualize your success. These are the seeds of a positive mindset. Negativity won't lead you anywhere. Embrace positivity, embrace progress. The third habit to abandon is the fear of failure. It's the barrier to success. This fear, my friends, is a tricky beast. It paralyzes our actions, stifles our growth, and shackles our potential. It whispers in our ears, painting pictures of doom and gloom, making us question our abilities and second-guess our decisions. But let's flip the script, shall we? Imagine failure not as a dead end, but as a stepping stone. A learning opportunity, a chance to grow, a catalyst for change. To overcome this fear, we must change our perspective. We must see failure as a teacher, not a tormentor. Embrace the possibility of failure, not because we want to fail, but because we understand that it's through failing that we learn the most valuable lessons. It's through failing that we become resilient, adaptable, and ultimately successful. So, what's the secret to overcoming this fear? It's simple. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. The next 2 habits go hand in hand: lack of focus and not setting goals. They are the roadblocks on your path to success. You see, our minds are like a compass, and without a clear direction, we end up wandering aimlessly. This is where the lack of focus comes in. It's like trying to hit a target with your eyes closed. You may shoot 1,000 arrows, but if you're not aiming at anything specific, you're just wasting your energy. Now, imagine you're on a journey. You're driving a car, but you have no destination. You just drive around aimlessly, wasting fuel and getting nowhere. This is what happens when you don't set goals. It's like sailing a ship without a destination. You may enjoy the ride, but you'll never reach the shore. So how do we combat these detrimental habits? How do we stay focused and set clear, achievable goals? Well, it starts with understanding what you truly want. What's your destination? What's your target? Once you've figured that out, write it down, make it real, make it tangible. Next, break it down into smaller, manageable goals. Think of these as your roadmap. Each small goal is a step towards your bigger goal. Achieving these smaller goals will not only keep you motivated, but also help you stay focused. Now, this doesn't mean you should ignore everything else and only focus on your goals. Life is a balance. But remember, when you're working towards your goals, give it your all. Be present, be focused, and most importantly, be consistent. Consistency is the key to achieving any goal. To help you stay focused, eliminate distractions. This could be anything from unnecessary notifications on your phone to negative thoughts in your mind. Remember, your focus determines your reality. And finally, review your goals regularly. Are you on track? Do you need to make adjustments? Remember, it's okay to change your goals. What's important is that you're moving forward. To reach your destination, you need a clear path. Stay focused, set goals. Let's move those roadblocks and pave the way to success. The final two habits are not learning from mistakes and not taking responsibility. They are the shackles that keep you from moving forward. Now, imagine a world where every mistake is a stepping stone and each stumble is a launch pad to new heights. That's the world of the successful, and it's not a fantasy. It's a mindset and a lifestyle. The habit of not learning from mistakes is a hindrance to personal and professional growth. It's like walking in circles, expecting to reach a new destination. Mistakes are not failures. They are opportunities to learn, grow, and improve. They are the raw materials from which success is forged. When you make a mistake, instead of wallowing in regret, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I avoid this in the future? How can I make it better? Turn every mistake into a lesson and every lesson into an action. The second habit, not taking responsibility, is just as crippling. It's easy to blame circumstances, other people, or even fate for our shortcomings. But the truth is, the power to change our lives lies in our hands. Taking responsibility means acknowledging that we are in control of our actions, our decisions, and ultimately our lives. To shirk responsibility is to give away your power, like a king handing over his crown. But to accept responsibility is to seize that power, to steer your ship through the stormy seas towards your desired destination. It's not about blaming yourself, it's about empowering yourself. Remember, every decision you make, every action you take shapes your destiny. Don't let mistakes discourage you. Let them guide you. Don't run from responsibility. Embrace it. In a world where many choose to play the victim, be the hero of your own story. Take charge. Learn from your mistakes. Take responsibility and watch how your world changes. Mistakes are lessons, and taking responsibility is the first step towards improvement. The road to success is littered with the stones of mistakes and responsibility. Pick them up, build your bridge, and cross over to the realm of success and fulfillment. Now that we have unearthed the 7 stupid habits that you need to abandon for success, it's time to reflect. Think back to our discussion on the pathway to success. Remember that success is not a destination but a journey, and that journey begins with identifying and shedding the habits that hold you back. We delved into the habit of procrastination, that sly thief of time. Procrastination is a barrier that many of us face, but overcoming it is entirely within our grasp. By managing our time effectively, setting small, achievable goals, and maintaining a positive attitude, we can kick procrastination to the curb. Negativity was another key habit we unveiled. It's crucial to understand that negativity breeds failure. By fostering a positive mindset, we can overcome the challenges that come our way and move closer to our goals. Fear of failure was our next pit stop. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success, but a part of it. Embrace your failures, learn from them, and use them as stepping stones to success. Lack of focus and not setting goals were next on our list. Without a clear vision and goals, we are like a ship adrift at sea. By setting clear, achievable goals and maintaining our focus, we can steer our ship towards the shores of success. We also discussed the importance of learning from our mistakes and taking responsibility for our actions. Mistakes are not setbacks, but opportunities for learning and growth. By taking responsibility for our actions, we can turn our mistakes into stepping stones for success. Now the ball is in your court. It's up to you to take action, to abandon these 7 stupid habits and to pave your own pathway to success. Remember, the road to success is not easy, but it's also not impossible. With determination, focus, and a positive attitude, you can overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. Remember, the road to success is paved with good habits. Abandon these stupid habits and elevate your life. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Until next time, stay opulent.